So today I'm taking a look at these Dynaming Post Lights. They're going to be solar and they come in a pack of 8, but we have about 20 different posts over here, so we got 3 different sets here. And these also are going to be for various posts. So right now we have the 4x4 posts. Actual size is 3.5 by 3.5 inches, but it does have you can fit posts up to 4x4 all the way up to 6x6. So I just want to do a quick unboxing and put these up and see how well they work. So here's everything it comes with. We're going to have the caps, and this is going to be if you have bigger posts. In my case, I don't need any of the caps, so this is how it's going to look like. I'm just going to be using these solar lights, and then we also get some hardware and of course the instructions. So here's a closer look at the light. We have the solar panel up on top, and at the bottom is where the battery is going to be, and here we could turn it on or move it to flash. And it also does come with this tab, so I'll take it right off. So now the battery will work and I can turn it on. And let me actually move it to flash. And of course nothing's gonna happen yet because the battery does need to charge during the daytime. But for now I can just set it right here. And this fits perfectly on the 4x4 post. So here's how everything ends up looking like. It was really easy to go ahead and install. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them charge for the day and then come back at night and see how they look like. And so here's the lights at night, and it's a beautiful sight. Unfortunately, this one over here didn't end up working. Maybe it didn't charge fully. So I'm gonna wait another night, or I'll go ahead and replace it with another one that I have. But here's what they go ahead and look like. Yeah, this looks really beautiful over here in the pool. And then same thing on the right side. Yeah, we still have to put this in the pool. That'll be gone. But yeah, these are flashing just like candles. And of course, it's because I put the flash mode at the bottom. But if you just want the still light, you can just switch it on the other side. But I think this one looks the best. And yeah, pretty happy with them. And that's a quick look at the lights.